Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an E-wrap cast on. So let's get to it. Bring all your needles into E position. Place a clothespin at the tail end of the yarn and place it between the first and the second needle. Wrap it around the first needle and bring the yarn between the second and the third needle. Wrap it around the second needle and bring the yarn between the third and the fourth needle. Wrap it around the third needle and carry on this way all the way to the end. Thread your carriage. Take your comb and place it on the cast on, making sure that the yarn is in front of the comb to prevent a loop from forming. You will find that the first pass of the carriage is always difficult, so you might need two hands on the carriage at this point. This is what the E-wrap cast on looks like from the purl side and from the knit side. The E-wrap is a simple cast on, and if you would like to see additional way of casting on, click on the subscribe button. It's going to take you straight to my channel where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.